What's up, my traders? How are you this week that is starting? Let's see markets how are trading right now. Starting with euro, we see that despite the recent move, euro is still pressing to the upside, and we can see that even despite the big surprise in the payroll data last Friday, we have had an initial drop of more than 100 pips, but then market at the end of the closing day gained back all those pips, and today we see another push higher. Let's see the daily chart. I told you last week that we're trying to pass through 200 days moving average. This is bullish sign, and for now we see that it's clear break above, so the trend, at least the bear trend, has been negated in the daily chart, and as long as we are above 200 days moving average, we favor the bullish setups. Anyway, also we have the higher high, higher low shift in sentiment, and all this must be taken seriously into account, because every drop from now is gonna get bought. We'll find a lot of buyers, because algo trading following trends have turned bullish many days ago. I have warning about that. Anyway, next resistance I see it's just above 106, and I believe if we go up there, it's gonna be a good taking profit for longs, and even going short for short-term dips. And after that, big level is 107, 108. I believe this can be tested with very bad US news, or with a very hawkish ECB. There are talks about 15 basis points. I don't know, those ECB dogs are barking right now, but it's like, you know, the small Pekinois barking when it is near his boss. If you let it alone, I don't know. And the situation here is that euro is going up because dollar is going down. The big boss is the dollar, of course, and it's allowing euro to have some gains. Okay, let's see cable. Cable is a little bit more volatile. Still same issue here, but there are some not so bullish signals here, signs. We see we are trading this trend line here. We saw some decent profit taking this morning, and I believe this is going to continue. The case for cable, fundamentally speaking, is more bearish than the euro. But for now, the trend is to the upside, so every dip, as long as we are trading above 119, 118, is gonna get bought. So here too, buy the dips if you are not long now, or cover the dips if you are spec shorts right now. Levels to watch here, we see we are testing critical resistance area. That's why we see some selling here, but if we have a trade above 123.45, today's high, I believe we're gonna see 124 very soon, and 124 is the next big resistance area. like it is 106 for the euro. Okay, I would do one of the same, little bit more bearish than the euro, hasn't been able to trade above 200 days moving average. So we might see some dips. So there is also RBA, I think, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow morning. This can also be seen in EURUSD. Okay, USD CAD trading sideways, what can say. Of course, making still higher high and higher lows. But as I told you, this is a three-factor price action. We must see also oil, because this is dollar strength or weakness, S&P strength or weakness, and oil strength or weakness. Okay, and now S&P seems ready for a move lower, but until we see a clear break below 39.60, I still see momentum to the upside for another run higher to test 41 handle. This stop here. As long as we are trading above 39.60, I told you I favor the long setups. But for a longer term, okay, it is very complicated, because the sentiment here is very bearish, but market going up. So I don't know, many are watching the VIX right now, but the VIX can still go further down. Anyway, it's not easy short here. There is also the sentiment of December Christmas and Santa Claus rally. Anyway, better not to trade heavily. It's end of the year, so most of the funds have already closed the books, and I believe market is trading in holiday mood. Anyway, oil consolidating just above 80. I believe we're gonna see, if not in December next year, one move, one run higher. 95 area must be cleared first to see a decent rally. Same in gold, 1800 is holding, and I believe we are gonna see another move lower to test 1600 handle in gold. Let's see yields. Not out of the woods, of course. I expect another dip in the 10 years. This is yield, UK 10-year bond. Same situation in the US. Same situation in German bonds. Okay, let's see also DXY. DXY, this is daily chart, trying to form one doji here. Let me. But we are still trading below 200 days moving average. We told the same for euro. We must see a decent break above 106 to have a quick run towards 108 and above. So until then, stay tuned for maybe we have another dip lower, but I believe every dip is gonna get bought. There are some supports and resistance in euro and cable, as I mentioned before. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin as well. Trying to find support. The usual crap in crypto, pumps and dumps. I believe we are gonna see much lower levels pretty soon in all crypto space, so keep that in mind. I'm not in a mood of making new positions in crypto. On the contrary, I would like to buy any deep dips. I believe January is gonna be very interesting in crypto space. Anyway, that's all for today. See you on our next video.